Welcome. If you've ever wanted to get someone's attention in a busy messenger group chat, there's a simple way to do it by mentioning them directly in your message. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to mention someone in a messenger group chat, making sure your message stands out and reaches the right person. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date for the best experience. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to mention someone. You'll see all your conversations listed. Just tap on the group chat to open it. Now, tap on the message box at the bottom to start typing your message. To mention someone, type the AT symbol, which is the AT sign, followed by the name of the person you want to mention. As soon as you type the AT symbol, Messenger will automatically show a list of group members. This makes it easy to find the person you're looking for, even if you're not sure how to spell their name. Scroll through the suggestions or continue typing the person's name. When you see the right name pop up, simply tap on it. This will highlight their name in your message, letting them know you're addressing them directly. Finish typing your message as you normally would. Once you're ready, send your message. The person you mentioned will receive a notification, making it much more likely they'll see your message quickly. This feature is especially useful in active group chats where messages can get lost in the conversation. That's all there is to it. By using the @ symbol followed by a group member's name, you can easily mention someone and ensure your message gets noticed. It's a quick and effective way to communicate directly within any messenger group chat. Try it out the next time you need someone's attention in a group chat. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.